So, according to Zimoja Lezinto, which is an online publication blog, things are apparently not as they seem in the Zulu royal family. It is alleged that King Misuzulu KwaZulu-Natali's honeymoon phase with his third wife, Queen Nomzamo Kamyeni Zulu, has affected his relationship with his first wife, Queen Ntokozo Makayisela Zulu. A source said the Queen feels left out because the King spends more time with the new wife, whom he married in May this year, you guys. Her absence was highly visible when she did not attend the annual Reed dance held at Enyokeni Palace in Nongoma in northern KwaZulu-Natal a fortnight ago, and King's 50th birthday celebration on Monday. The Queen was also not in attendance at the Umkhosi where Lemse Shaka Zulu Day held at Stenga High School in Dukuza yesterday. Now, a source indicated that she chose not to attend these events due to feeling of embarrassment about facing the community, particularly since she allegedly overshadowed by her newly sister wife. Now, the source also said the King is often with his latest wife even when he attends public engagements and meetings. Also, according to the source, Kamayisela moved out of the royal palace in Ulundi. She moved into an apartment in Durban with her two kids rather. The source added, the couple, who have two children, were officially married on the 6th of May 2021, a day before his mother, Queen Mantombi Zulu's funeral service. Call for comment by Zimoja Lezinto. Allegedly, Prime Minister Thulasizwe Buthelezi said royal problems are not to be discussed in the media. The household matters of His Majesty are not matters for public consumption, he said. Well, there you have it, guys. What are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comment section, and of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.